Kua roa ngā whakaaro o te iwi whānui e tōtara wāhiru ana I te Waipiro, nō reira I puta ia te karere ki runga I ngā huarahi o Tāmaki Makaurau ki te kimi I ngā whakaaro o te hunga rangatahi mō tēnei kaupapa.
How's it going?
Definitely, I think that alcohol is a problem in New Zealand. From where I come from, South Auckland, it is definitely a problem and the government needs to do something about it.
Some people, they heavily abuse alcohol and then it can lead to like family violence or just like really reckless behaviour like drinking and driving and stuff.
I te nui aki kua taki ki te ringa ka hoa itua mai I tēnei mea te Waipiro. Nō reira, e kore tēnei mea he mea pai mō mātou nei Māori me ki Aotearoa whānui.
I'm only 18, but it really comes down to the person because I don't think it should be raised. I know heaps of responsible like 18, 19-year-olds, 20-year-olds and such, but to raise it, it's just only going to make it worse because more people will still drink. They're going to get the alcohol somehow, so raising it's kind of pointless.
I don't think that age is going to stop people from drinking. Definitely the price and legislation around it will stop it.
Ka tae e te ranatahi ki te whaimahi, te whaitūrana I roto I te paremata, te tuku poti, engari kaore tai atu ki te inu Waipiro, kaore tēnei tino kare au whakai atu ki tēnā.